puso ay mapagbigyan dahil sa'yo naramdaman ang tunay na pagmamahal. Iibigin kita kahit sino ka man. Ikaw na nga ang hinahanap ng puso, ang siyang magbibigay ng saya at tamis at lambing sa buhay ko. Ikaw na nga ang bawat panaginip ko, sa piling mo'y nagkatotoo ang lahat ng mga pangarap ko. Ikaw na, and you know the way you wanna say it. You be so high, you be flying. I was her, she was me. We were one, we were free. And if there's somebody calling me on, she's the one. If there's somebody calling me on, she's the one. If there's somebody calling me on, she's the one. Yeah, she's the one. If there's somebody calling me on, she's the one. She's the one. If there's somebody calling me on, she's the one. She's the one. If there's somebody calling me on, she's the one. We don't need anything or anyone.
And HKS High Performance Oils, Goodyear, Gadgetunggal at Iolo Tires and batteries like Motolite. Kaya nila kahit mga high-end cars na di kaya ng iba at may mga important computerized engine analyzer pa para hindi hula-hula ang diagnosis. Matatagpuan sa Barangay 1 San Nicolas, Visay, Sherty, Ilocos. Auto Mekaniko. Serbisyong kasa sa presyong masa. Dahil sa Auto Mekaniko, kaibigan ka.
Sure ka na ba sa agency mo para makapunta abroad? Dito ka na sa Ascend International Services Incorporated dahil sure na sure at nangangailangan sila ng 300 domestic helpers for Hong Kong, Kuwait, Oman, Singapore, Malaysia. No salary deduction. For domestic helper in Middle East, we offer free passporting, training, medical, transportation, and accommodation. In Manila, if you are 23 years old, at least high school graduate, can speak and understand English, patient, flexible, and trustworthy. Apply now at Ascend International Services Incorporated at room 3001 and 3002. S1 Building, MV Farinas Street, corner F. Fracasser Street, Lawanag City. Near Farinas Bus Terminal also needs skilled and semi-skilled workers for Australia, Jordan, Malaysia, and nurses for London, United Kingdom, with at least 1 year related experience. For more inquiries, call or text 0936-951-8268 or 0998-853-2388 and look for Miss Jane or Miss Jen. Ascend International Services Incorporated, subok na in 38 years, dito ay talagang sigurado ka. Special recruitment activity on September 7 and 8, Sinai, Ilocos Sur. September 18 and 19, Sulsona, Ilocos Norte. September 28 and 29, Bangi, Ilocos Norte. Hong Kong, Kuwait, Oman interview on September 8, 2017.
Eto na naman, mga parol, kumukuti-kutidap na ilaw, Belen, Caroling. Ibig sabihin, Pasko na naman ay ay Pasko na!
Ay, Pasko na!
Eto ang kukumpleto sa Christmas spirit nating Pilipino. Ay Pasko na!
Ay, Pasko na!
Lahat ng maririnig mo, pampasko! Pati istorya sa likod ng kanta, malalaman mo! Ay Pasko na!
Ay, Pasko na!
Alas 4 hanggang alas 6 ng umaga. Dito lang sa IFM.
Ay, Pasko na!
Ay, Pasko na!
IFM, ikaw ay aking best friend. Sa'yo laging makikinig. Number 1 ka sa akin. IFM ay aking best friend. IFM ay aking best friend. Don't give up on us, baby. Don't make the wrong seem right. The future isn't just one night. It's written in the moonlight, painted on the stars. We can't change ours. Don't give up on us, baby. We're still worth one more try. I know we put a last one by, just for a rainy evening, when maybe stars are few. Don't give up on us, I know we can still come through. I really lost my head last night. You've got a right to stop believing. There's still a little love left, even so. Don't give up on us, baby. Lord knows we've come this far. Can't we stay the way we are? The angel and the dreamer, who sometimes plays a fool. Don't give up on us, I know we can still come through. It's written in the moonlight, painted on the stars. We can't change ours. Don't give up on us, baby. We're still worth one more try. I know we put a last one by, just for a rainy evening, when maybe stars are few. Don't give up on us, I know we can still come through. Don't give up on us, baby. Don't give up on us, baby. I'll be loving you forever. Deep inside my heart, you'll leave me never. Even if you took my heart and tore it apart, I would love you still forever. You are the sun, you are all my life, and you're the last thing on my mind before I go to sleep at night. You're always round when I'm in need. When trouble's on my mind, you put my soul at ease. There is no one in this world who can love me like you do. So many reasons that I wanna spend forever with you. I'll be loving you forever. Deep inside my heart you'll leave me never. Even if you took my heart and tore it apart, I would love you still forever. We've had our fun and we've made mistakes, but who'd have guessed along that road we'd learn to give and take? It's so much more than I could have dreamed. You make loving you so easy for me. There is no one in this world who can love me like you do. That is the reason that I wanna share forever with you. I'll be loving you forever. Deep inside my heart you'll leave me never. Even if you took my heart and tore it apart, I would love you still forever. And girl, I pray you'll leave me never. 'Cause this is the world where lovers often go astray. But if we love each other, we won't go that way. So put your doubts aside. Do what it takes to make it right. 'Cause I love you forever. No one can tear us apart. I'll be loving you forever. Forever. Deep inside my heart you leave me never. Won't never leave. Not if you took my heart and tore it apart, girl. I would love you still forever. I just want you to know that I can't eat, I can't sleep, I can't breathe whenever I'm without you. When we walk, I stand tall. When I talk, I only talk about you, girl. And tore it apart, I would love you still forever. I'll be loving you forever. Deep inside my heart you leave me never.
99.5 IFM.
And when I hold you in my arms, I promise you, you're gonna feel a love that's beautiful and new. This time I love you even better than I ever did before. And you'll be in my heart forevermore. We were just too young to know so hard to let the feelings die. I know how much I need you now. The time is turning back somehow. As soon as our hearts and souls unite, I know for sure we'll get the feeling right. And now we're starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do. I'm feeling inside again, 'cause every time I look at you, I know we're starting over again. This time we'll numb all the pain away. Welcome home, my lover and friend. We are starting over again. If we never lived alone, then we might have never known all the time we spent apart. All we did was break each other's hearts. And when I hold you in my arms, I promise you, you're gonna feel a love that's beautiful and new. This time I'll love you even better than I ever did before, and you'll be in my heart forevermore. And now we're starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do. I'm feeling inside again, 'cause every time I look at you, I know we're starting over again. This time we'll love all the pain away. Welcome home, my lover and friend. We are starting over again. This time we'll chase all the rain away. Welcome home, my lover and friend. We are starting over again. We are starting over again. IFM ay aking best friend.
Oras hatid sa inyo ng Unique Toothpaste. It's your toothpaste at your price. Kaya approved ng Philippine Dental Association.
Bula la 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 la, bula 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 bula. Anong bula-bula? Itong bath soap ko nga hindi pa ubos, parang hindi na mabula.
Mrs. Shield Bath Soap ang gamitin.
Bula 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 bula.
Mabula at may effective antibacterial ingredient para sugpuin ang germs. Shea butter tulong para hindi mag-dry ang skin.
Kahit paubos na, tuloy pa rin ang bula.
Shield Bath Soap. Galit sa sakit, may malasakit.
At sulit na sulit. Bula 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 la.
Shield Bath Soap. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang galing ng #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste, nasa Smart Dishwashing Liquid din. Tanggaling-galing sa presyong magaling din. May tanong kami sa mga misis.
Mas importante ba ang paramihan ng hinugasang plato o ang tunay na kalinisan nito?
Hoy! Mrs!
Kahit milya-milyang plato ang kaya ng dishwashing liquid mo, sa kaunting patak na hinalo sa tubig, sigurado ka bang tanggal ang sebo at bakterya?
Hoy! Mrs!
Dapat magpaka-smart tayo. Sa Smart Dishwashing, tanggal ang sebo, tanggal ang bakterya.
Tanggaling-galing!
Kaya misis, magpakatotoo. Mag-Smart Dishwashing tayo.
Smart Dishwashing. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Pride with Fabcon. Ituloy ang bango with Pride.
Ang bango-bango, ang bango-bango, ang bango ng detergent ko.
Sa pabanguhan ng detergent with Fabcon, ano nga bang mas gusto? Ayon sa research sa Metro Manila, halos 80% ng mga misis mas gusto ang bango ng Pride with Fabcon kaysa leading brand even after 24 hours. Dahil ang Pride may tuloy bango microbeads para sa bangong tuloy-tuloy buong araw.
Tuloy-tuloy bango.
Kaya misis, tuloy na sa Pride with Fabric Conditioner.
Tuloy-tuloy bango ng Pride with Fabcon ko.
Ituloy ang bango with Pride. Pride with Fabric Conditioner manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS. Manapagaling mo kaibigan, makakarating kahit saan. Pinakasala mong inaasahan, aking sa parunoonan. Sa KRS panatag ka, ang pinito walang tutoda. Sa KRS hatid tiwala, tiwala ka sa KRS. Hatid tiwala, hatid KRS. KRS Express.
Now on its new location at Door 4, Avenue Factory Outlet Building, Don E. Ruiz Street, Lawag City. Call 772-0807. Isuzu BM Domingo Motor Sales Incorporated is inviting the public to its 2017 fifth quarter caravan for Isuzu vehicles. Isuzu genuine parts and preventive maintenance services on October 16 to 21, 2017 at Casiano Petron Gas Station along National Highway, Barangay 16, San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte. Available units for sale. The all-new 2017 Isuzu 3.0-liter and 2.5-liter Mu X SUV. 2017 Isuzu D-Max LS, LTX and LT. 2017 Isuzu Crosswind and 2017 Isuzu Light Trucks and Heavy Trucks. Isuzu Parts and Service Caravan is brought to you by BM Domingo Motor Sales Incorporated.
Gusto mo na makakatipid, makakamura at makakasulit sa pangarap na sasakyan? Sa Mitsubishi Ilocos na ang punta mo. Nasa may Barangay 50 Butong Airport Road lang siya. Di lang yun, official 5-star repair shop pa sila na kayang gawin lahat ng mga brands sa sasakyan because of their high-tech and Class A facilities. At eto pa, bukod sa Class A facilities, their mechanics are trained by different brands here and abroad. Lahat ng yan sa affordable na presyo. Ayun no, kung matipid, mura at sulit din lang sa Mitsubishi Ilocos na lang.
IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko.
Sa wari ko'y lumipas ng kadiliman ng araw.
Kadiliman ng araw.
Dahan pang
bago man ang puso mo, tuloy pa rin. IFM ay aking best friend.
Hoy bakla! Saan ka pupunta?
Magpapapicture ako sa Jim Carrey. May digital studio na sila.
Maganda ba ang mga backgrounds nila?
Oo sis, magaganda at unlimited pa ang pagpipilian mo.
Ang quality.
Maganda ang quality kasi generated by technology. Pang estudyante pa ang budget. Cellphone at digital camera, kaya nilang i-develop Rush ID, passport at visa. 10 minutes lang. Gumagawa pa sila ng photo tarpaulin banner, pang birthdays, weddings at iba pang occasion. Personalized invitation cards, souvenir tags, advertising banners, posters at streamers. Gumagawa rin sila.
Photo enlargement, kaya ba nila?
8x10, poster size hanggang billboard size, kaya nilang gawin. Kasi silang unang large format digital photo studio dito sa Lawag. Mga lumang pictures, kaya nilang gawing bago. Ordinary pictures, gagawin nilang oil painting. Kasi sila pala ang nakaka-print ng photo canvas dito sa Lawag.
Framing.
Pictures, photo tarpaulin, lahat kaya nilang i-frame sa abot kayang halaga.
Jim Carrey, Digital Photo Studio, along General Segundo Avenue, Lawag City.
Now in need of female studio personnel and female souvenir makers. Apply now. For your facial and skincare needs, Veracruz Skin Facial and Body Care Center is now here in Lawag. It offers state-of-the-art services in providing treatment of diseases of the skin, scalp, hair, and nails, cosmetic dermatology with different lasers, cosmetic surgery, and cosmetic dentistry. Special treatments are autologous stem cell transfer, fillers, botox, diode microdiode laser, and Diagi laser removal of colored tattoos, Fraxel laser for scar removal, DR collagen for acne scar, varicose vein treatment, nose lift, facelift, blepharoplasty, veneer, tooth implants, and teeth whitening. At Veracruz, they do clinical facials that preserve whiter, rejuvenating skin because they treat face and skin according to the problem and need. Come and visit Veracruz for your wellness and your beauty works. Located at UCCP Building, Rizal Street, Lawag City. Call 771-5626 or call or text 0917-568-1562.
Let me tell you about Renos Kebab, the first authentic Mediterranean restaurant in Ilocos that uses only the finest herbs and spices from the Middle East. Try our tasteful and delicious beef or chicken kebabs with biryani rice, beef or chicken wraps, our freshly made Arabic bread, and dip it in hummus. Partner with our healthy yogurt drink of yogurt fruits, shake, or our refreshing lemongrass drink. Renos Kebab is situated at the back part of Benfi IT Park, San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte. Opens daily from 3 p.m. until 11 p.m. Eat healthy. Try Renos Kebab.
Sanay ka bang laging pag lumalabas ay nakaporma? Sawa ka na ba sa paulit-ulit na style? Hindi na ba kasya sa iyo ang lumang damit mo? O gusto mo nang bumili ng bago pero ayaw mo namang gumastos? Eto na ang sagot sa lahat ng mga katanungang yan. Marie and Neil Ukay-Ukay. Dito, siguradong pasok ang budget mo. Laging may bago at hindi ka mahuli sa style ng mga best mo. Pants, shorts, sapatos na pangbabae at panlaki, skirts, blouses, at marami pang iba. Huwag mo lang itong
Ikaw aking best friend. Sa'yo lang nakikinig. Number one ka sa akin. It would never be the same.